Boom, good day people. So today is going to be a re-up day for my vending machine. As you guys know, or may not have known, I have a vending machine, right? And I'm looking to expand the empire. I'll keep you updated on that one. So this is the funds I've made so far from my vending machine. The downside to my machine initially was it was broken. But see, when you're tech savvy and you kind of like have an idea how to work stuff and you have a really smart person to help you, my lady, you can fix it. And I fixed it, and this is the return so far. I'm not gonna tell you how much, but it is enough to get me another machine. That's all I'm gonna say. So today I'm gonna head out, grab some food, bring it back. Then I'm gonna go re-up because some of the food in the vending machine is expired. Even though food inside of a vending machine technically is not expired, it's just not at its best. So I'm just gonna re-up on the expired food and then put it in. See you guys in a little bit.
Y'all see me at the party, y'all been looking like Korea movies. Y'all ain't supposed to be on the floor where anybody moving. Wait, whoa, y'all forgetting when I was amateur spitting before the scripts are written. First one in, last one out the club. First in it, passing out the club. FYI, Will Smith is nice. Just saying. Fuck Jada.
Here we forward again. Start off with this. It all depends on the location, yo. If you get a location that is like a gym or something, these come in handy. As much as everybody may be like, oh, healthy this, healthy that. I have healthy stuff in there and it still haven't been touched. So yeah, purchase was made. Everything came up to approximately $190. So I saved some money. Saved probably like 110. So I'm still saving money while also upping value in my product. All right, so now I'll get it to the machine. And now I'm stacking up. About to reload, take out whatever is expired, calculate my losses, and calculate my gains, calculate my projected gains and projected losses. So in total, all the remaining expired food that I have is all inside of this bag. So my grand total loss is $166, which sucks, but we gotta keep rolling. It's a slow and steady race. Slow and steady wins the race. All right, now let's get this shit restocked. So I spent $184, and the projected amount, based on the amount of stuff that I'll be putting in this machine, is gonna be a little bit over $200. So I'm pocketing approximately $60, $70. So I hit break even, plus I'm hitting what? 50% profit.